So we gotta put this here on, and this is gonna be the back and the side. What else is in here? I think that's it. Looks like they give you a screen protector too. It says stop. That's the website you can go to. This is a cleaning cloth. So they give you 2 of these. I guess we'll just clean it right quick. Right now, you can get in there. So what you want to start with first, the front or the back?
Let's do the back.
Alright. Start with this in here. We're going to just do it ourselves and not go with the website. Oh, it looks like it's just one big piece.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get this out right quick. Alright. So we got that off. Now we got this one to get off. Alright. Alright, we should be good now. See, can we get it right the first time? So yeah, we're just heating the edges on here so it'll stick. If you get it warm, then it'll stick. And then while it's hot, that's when you want to mash it in, and then it'll stick. So now we got this part complete. Just let it get all hot, and then just go right back over it and make sure everything is down good. Like, so that's good. Right here needs to get heated. And then just while it's hot, so this is how we're going to put it on this way. And then we'll let it smooth out. Alright. So yeah, this is the final product though. It looks okay, but not really. Yeah. I don't like how you have to get it heated.